Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to enable high volume bid on a product listing and what to do when you receive a customer bid. First, you'll need to log into your Seller System account and proceed to your product catalog on the left-hand menu. Find the product you'd like to enable high volume on and select the details. Proceed to the Packaging and Pricing module and edit the unit price. High volume bids will be available to those who have price lists set. If you don't have a price list set, you'll see an Add Price List option here. If you do have a price list set, you'll see the Edit Details option. By selecting Edit Details, you'll be prompted to review your price list. Within your price list, you'll see the option to allow for high volume bids. When this option has a blue check mark, High Volume Bid has been enabled. This feature allows customers to place an offer for any quantity and price above your highest tier, which is your highest quantity and lowest price. To save this change, click Update List. You'll receive an email notification that you've either enabled or disabled high volume. You'll also be able to view the change in your pricing log. Once this has been enabled, customers will view a link to enter a high volume bid after your highest tier. To proceed with the bid, they'll select the link and enter their bid. When a customer sends in a high volume bid, you'll receive an email notification and a task on your dashboard. To review the task, scroll down to My Tasks and select the High Volume Bids module. You can view individual bids here and follow the links. You can also access your bids by clicking on the High Volume Bids module on the left menu under Orders. Under this menu, you'll see all the bids in your account. You can search by bid reference number, customer ID, or product name and filter by the different statuses. When you first receive a bid, it'll come in as Pending Seller Review. To review the details of a bid, select the arrow on the right. The details will show the products the customer is interested in and the price they're bidding at. The customer can also offer a tentative schedule in which they'd like the total quantity to be released. This may also be left blank. If you approve the bid as is, you'll select Approve Bid. This will allow the customer to either place an order or decline the bid. If you'd like to send a counteroffer or final offer, you may edit the price within this module. Any back and forth with the customer will be recorded in the bid history below. When you send a counteroffer, the bid will be sent back to the customer and will allow them to either send another counteroffer, order, or decline. When you send a final offer, the customer will not be allowed to send a counteroffer. They may only order or decline. If you must decline a bid altogether, you can select Decline. When you select Decline, you must enter a reason, insufficient stock or other. When you select Other, you'll be prompted to type in a reason. When you approve a bid, send a counteroffer, or send a final offer, you're prompted to the next screen, which will ask you to enter an expiration date on the bid. You can decrease down to 1 day and increase unlimited days. The status will change to Pending Buyer Review. The status will also change in the main High Volume Bid menu. The status will change based on if you've declined a bid, if you've approved a bid, if the bid has expired, and if a customer has decided to order. If you have any questions with how High Volume Bid functions, please contact your assigned account manager. Thank you.